Friday and time for another movie. So today I'm watching Sabir Khan's Baghi starring Tiger Shroff and Shraddha Kapoor. So Sajid, Sabir and Tiger are teaming up after Heropanti. So let's see if this team up is worth it or not. And as always, late ho gayi aur popcorn bhi lena hai, so see you in the interval. Tell you how the film Baghi is all about till now. So obviously we are seeing Tiger Shroff come back on the silver screen and with amazing action scenes, and of course we know he's apt for this kind of a role, and he's obviously playing a rebellious role here. Now considering Shraddha's first scene was also a fight scene, so I would say that she's also kind of playing a rebel in the film, but I'm actually looking forward to more action scenes from Shraddha. And दोनों में जो chemistry है, it's kind of building up as a love story so far. So I'm hoping कि मैं दूसरा भी एक प्लॉट डिस्कवर करूं जहाँ पे थोड़ा एक्शन वैक्शन ज़्यादा हो. एंड बाकी जो दोनों की केमिस्ट्री है वो बहुत ही अमेजिंग है. एंड आई लाइक द सॉन्ग छम छम छम, इवन दो थोड़ा उसका प्लेसमेंट ऑकवर्ड हो गया था, बट अदरवाइज आई रियली लाइक इट. एंड बाकी आई एम जस्ट वेटिंग फॉर द प्लॉट टू अनफोल्ड. सो लेट मी कम बैक टू यू आफ्टर द फिल्म एंड टेल यू द रिव्यू. बागी ख़त्म हो गई है और मैं आ गई हूँ आपको रिव्यू देने के लिए. तो मैंने जब इसका ट्रेलर देखा था ना, तो श्रद्धा एंड टाइगर की केमिस्ट्री देखने के लिए और एक्शन स्टंट्स देखने के लिए मैंने सोचा कि मूवी देखनी तो बनती ही है. और अब जब देख ली है तो मैं आपको बता दूँ कि ये जो मूवी है, दिस इज़ अबाउट अ रिबेलियस बॉय जो कि है टाइगर, जिनका नाम मूवी में है रॉनी, जिनके रिबेलियस एटीट्यूड एंड ओवर द टॉप एटीट्यूड की वजह से उनके डैड उनको एक करेक्शनल डिसिप्लिनरी अकेडमी में भेजते हैं डाउन साउथ. Now, on his journey to the academy, he meets Shraddha, whose name is Sia in the film, and they fall in love, and the movie revolves around them and the consequences of them falling in love henceforth. Then, when it comes to acting, I feel Tiger has done a tremendous job when it comes to action, as always, and Baki, I think he did justice to the character. When it comes to Shraddha, she was a typical Bollywood heroine, though I was really impressed, and she gave tough competition to Tiger when it comes to action scenes. Now, when we talk about direction, I have to say that Sabir Khan has made a typical action film, which is known as his genre usually. After Heropanti, it's continued in the same way in terms of action, and I feel that he's paid less attention to content and more to action, which is like quite visible in the film. Now, overall, I have to say that the film becomes predictable after a while. I got a little bored of the action sequences, and I feel the movie could have been enhanced more when it comes to content. Now, I would have to say that the story is a go-go if you want to watch Shraddha and Tiger ki chemistry and an action-packed film with amazing stunts by Tiger. But it's a no-go if you're expecting something different from Sabir and Tiger. So that's my take on the film, and I will see you next time with a new movie.